Hi, welcome back. My name is SHUBHAM INGOLE and you are watching Sketch Guru. Today we are going to see how to draw eyebrows. If you are new to the channel, please make sure you have watched the old videos so you can be on the track with others. So without wasting time, let's start. So let me explain you in detail how to draw the hairs. So there are two ways. This is one way and this is another way. But wait, the first way is the wrong way. The second is right. Let me explain you in this detail. When you draw the hairs, make sure at the start of the hair, the line should be thicker and the line should get thinner as you go. This way you will get a nice real stroke. If you notice the hairs are very thicker at the start and get thinner at the end. This way you should do. The hairs are not only in one direction, they are always bent in either direction. So you have to make them realistic when bending them naturally. Make sure you spend some time while doing this. You can also use the mechanical pencil for drawing the hairs. This way you will get the thinner hairs. Let me explain you some other things. Make sure you practice these things. These are very important things. Let me take a pencil. Make sure there should not be a distance between the hairs like this. The hairs are always connected to each other in the either direction, just like this. I always like to practice these things before making the sketch. This way your hands get free and you can draw easily. They can be in any direction which you follow. Just practice these things, it will help you a lot. Let me explain you some other things. There are different types of hair eyebrows. So these eyebrows have different shapes and size. These are some of the shapes which I found most common. So guys, these are some types of eyebrows which I found most common. Make sure you practice this all things which I told you. And while drawing the eyebrows hairs, make sure they should be in one direction. They should follow one direction where the hair eyebrows are bending, just like this. So guys, let's start our tutorial. See you in a minute. So guys, let's start. Before starting, let me tell you which pencil I use. I use a edge pencil for drawing the outline. So edge pencil will help me to get a lighter shade. So if I made a mistake, I can easily erase it. Just apply the light pressure and use the techniques which I told you earlier. Thicker at the bottom and thinner at the end. This will help you to get more realistic look. Make sure you follow the outline very clearly. Draw the hairs from the starting of the outline and blend them as they go in. This will give a nice stroke and the outline which you have drawn first will also fade away. I am still using the HB pencil. If I made mistakes somewhere, I can easily erase them using the eraser pencil, which I am using. For blending, I use a soft brush makeup brush with some minimum pressure to blend the strokes nicely. You can also use paper stems for this, but I suggest please use a brush. So now I'm using a 2B pencil to get some darker values. I'm just adding some darker shades. If you look at the reference image, you can see they are also composed of some darker shades. I'm just following the reference picture. After applying 2B shade, I'm going to blend it using the brush. Same way, you can always use paper stems, but I suggest you to use the brush. Blend the outline of the eyebrows so you can get a nice realistic look. So now I'm going to use a 4B pencil to get some darker shades. You can always use 5B pencil, 6B pencil according to you, to how higher values you want in your shade. 4B is fine for me. It's a medium between the dark and light, so I always use a 4B pencil. Just keep following the reference image and add the darker value according to the image. Most of the time, dark values are in the center as compared to start. Always blend after using a layer of a pencil shade. This will help you getting a realistic look and proper smooth shading. Now I'm using the mechanical pencil to get a thinner, lighter shades. You can also use pencil eraser to erase some of your mistakes. The pencil eraser can also be used for making some highlights in the eyebrows, just like I'm making right now. Blend the highlights after using. This will also help you. I'm just applying the normal strokes at the edge of the eyebrows. This will get some thinner hairs. Now I am using 6B pencil to get some dark shades. Just like I said, if you are comfortable with 4B, you can stop there, or if you want some darker values, you can always go ahead. I'm using 6B right now because I want some dark shades in it. If you look at the reference image, there are some highlights below the eyebrows, so I'm just using a pencil eraser to get them. Alright, so this is how. If you want to draw just eyebrows, you can stop here and start drawing it. And after this, I'm just going to work on some skin shades after this, or skin textures. If you want to watch this, you can continue the video further, or you can just stop now and continue your eyebrow work. So this is a Sakura gel roll pen which I'm used for drawing the highlights. You can also use a pencil eraser if you don't have it. So I'm just using a HB pencil and drawing some light strokes. You can use a pencil darker if you can't see the strokes visibly, but I use HB pencil or max 2B pencil to draw this. After this, I just blend them. This will give you nice realistic skin textures. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you haven't subscribed now and liked the video, please do it right now. So guys, if you like this video, please comment, like, share, and please watch the next video coming after this. I will start drawing the nose after this, and then we'll draw the lips. So thank you, see you next video, bye bye.